Hi everyone and welcome back to Content Hub. Today's video it's going to be interesting guys. Ready? Let's go today topics.
Meetings and work discussions. Professional emails and business communication. Meetings and work discussions. Normal English versus advanced English. Let's start the meeting. Let's commence the meeting. I think we should do this. I suggest we proceed with this approach. Let's talk about this later. Let's revisit this topic at a later time. I see your point. I acknowledge your perspective. That's a good idea. That's an excellent suggestion. Let's work together on this. Let's collaborate on this matter. What do you think? Could you share your insights? Professional emails and business communication. Normal English versus advanced English. I'm writing to ask about. I'm reaching out to inquire about. Just letting you know. I wanted to inform you that I need help with this. I would appreciate your assistance with this. Can you send me the details? Could you kindly provide the details? Sorry for the delay. I apologize for the inconvenience. I'll do it soon. I will address this at my earliest convenience. Sorry for the late reply. I apologize for my delayed response. I can't attend the meeting. Unfortunately, I won't be able to attend the meeting. Let me know what you think. I would appreciate your feedback on this.
If you any other questions by the way, please make sure to leave them in a comment for us and maybe we'll talk about in future. Thanks very much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for your support to Content Hub.